My purpose here today is not to offer any insights at all, because each of your own journey, but just to remind you that whatever shows up now, let it trickle, let it percolate like the best coffee ever, for what the message actually is behind all that. You've got this, it's all there, my gosh. And our fears often come because basically they're anchored in doubt or worry, concern, right? Why this, what if? It's the what if. So I would love to invite you to consider how we can use that what if, rather than as something that is holding us back, as an obstruction, is to really reframe it for ourselves and say, well, this is curiosity. And where there is curiosity, there is intelligence, because it's through our curiosity that we discover more. If we never asked why, we would always be doing things the same way. And right now, because fear is keeping us physically and mentally, for want of a better word, paralyzed, we freeze with fear, because we're thinking, what if, what if, what if, what if, and everything is what if, that if we could offer the space to reframe the what if as a curiosity, but what if that, I take you back to that phrase, what if I fall? Oh, but my darling, what if you fly?